Hello everyone, my name is Tasya Meylarisman and I will be your tutor for today. In this session, we will look at how IT professionals communicate politely and professionally through emails. In real IT workplaces, email is not only used to share information but also to request access, report issues, and coordinate tasks with colleagues, supervisors, and clients. Today, you will see how professional emails are written in real IT context and how polite language helps message sounds clear, respectful, and cooperative. Let's begin. Communication in IT emails. In IT companies, email is one of the most common tools for daily communication. IT employees use email to request system access, report technical issues, provide progress updates, and follow up on tasks discussed in meetings. Many of these emails involve communication between different teams, supervisor, or clients. Because of this, tone is very important. The way an email is written affects how the message is received and how people respond. Using professional language helps communication run more efficiently and polite emails reduce misunderstanding, especially in technical contexts. When emails sound too direct, sometimes emails in the workplace sound too direct, even when the task itself is reasonable. For example, sentences like send the server logs today or give me access to the system sounds more like comments. In professional IT communication, this tone can feel demanding or uncomfortable. When the same message is written as could you send the server logs today or would it be possible to update the configuration today, the task stays the same, but the tone becomes more respectful. The small changes make a big difference in how the email is perceived. Now we move how IT professionals make requests. In IT workplaces, requests are part of daily communication. Professionals often need help from others, such as reviewing schedules, confirming updates, or adjusting deadlines. For this reason, IT professionals usually avoid giving direct comments unless the situation is urgent. Using polite and indirect language helps show teamwork, respect, and professionalism. Example like, could you review the deployment schedule? Or would it be possible to extend the testing deadline? Sounds cooperative and appropriate for a professional environment. Now, let's look at an example of professional IT workplace email. This email has a clear subject, a polite opening, and respectful request. The sender asks for access to the project dashboard and explains the reason clearly without sounding demanding. Phrases like, could you please grant access, and if there are any additional steps required, show professionalism and respect. This type of email is common in real IT companies and helps maintain smooth communication between teams. Okay, comparing email tone. Here we can see the difference between a direct email and a professional tone. The first version is very short and sounds like a comment. Give me access to the project dashboard today. The second version uses a polite request and explains the purpose of the task. This makes the email sound more cooperative and professional. In IT workplaces, a polite tone often leads to better cooperation and faster responses. Now, before we close the video, I will show you the key takeaway for IT communication. To conclude, polite language in IT workplace communication is not about being weak or unclear. It is about being clear, respectful, and professional when working with others. Serve requests support teamwork, and a professional tone improves communication quality and response time. This type of language is commonly used in real IT companies, and you will apply this style in the next email writing activity. Thank you very much. That's all for me. Goodbye.